Hi guys, Parcel. Hope you are all set. I'm your host, Mr. Habibur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel. Previous day, I have explained many car donation programs. Today, I will explain California car donation can help a veteran in needs. Vehicles for veterans. Guys, if you have a old car, you can donate your car here. So guys, let's get started. How to donate your vehicle? Why donate your car? Fact about blogs. If you want to know about how to donate your vehicle, why donate your car, fact about blogs, you can know about this site. Guys, California, your car donation can help a veteran in needs. A vehicle donation to vehicles for veterans could give you an opportunity to help provide a better life for a disabled veterans. A car donation to vehicles for veterans can help provide strength and encouragement to veterans who have saved the community. From finding housing to converting medical care, veterans face a number of challenges when they return home. Your car donation can help fund disabled and other veterans. Programs that make life easier for veterans. Grace Annis Foundation Snowball Express. Why donate a car in California to help veterans? Just think about all these men and women who have served our community and have helped to make it a safer place to live. There are many veterans who are in needs of your help, and your car donation can be the perfect way to give back. Plus, when you donate a vehicle to vehicles for veterans, you receive many great benefits. You provide a better life for veterans and their families. You receive fast and free pick up a towing of your vehicle from cities like Los Angeles, Long Beach, San Diego, San Francisco, and everywhere else in their state. Your donation is completely tax deductible. The donation process is easy. You can donate online or by calling 1-877-646-3295. I repeat, calling 1-877-646-3295. The Grey Chinese Foundation RISE program dedicated a new smart home to us Army State SGT RTE. J founder and his family is Wills. Taxes on April 28, 2021. Enhance the life of a vehicle today. Giving back to the people who have fought to keep our community safe has never been easier and unwanted. Vehicles can become so much more when you donate it to vehicles for veterans. Donate your car, truck, horse, RV, SUV, motorcycle, or camper to vehicles for veterans in California to benefit veterans everywhere and received a great tax deduction for your car donation. Vehicles donation are 100% tax deductible and help to build better life for our national veterans. Donate a vehicle today by completing 3 easy steps. Call 1-877-646-3295 or fill out an online donation form. A member of our staff will contact Will within 24 hours of the next business days. Receive free pickup of towing of our vehicles, whatever the vehicles runs or not. Who knew that unwanted vehicles would directly make a difference in the life of a veterans. Call us today and help to reach the lives of veterans who have spent their lives protecting the country and that they love. Donate your vehicles and give back to deductible veterans. Of the 19.6 million veterans in the US, many require support that comes from your vehicle's donation. To donate your vehicle, call or fill out the form below. We are dedicated to helping US veterans nationwide. All the states, Alaska, Alabama, and other states are with many states nationwide. So guys, if you have a old car, you can donate here and help the veterans. So guys, today is all. Next day, I will explain how to donate your car or vehicles, why donate your car, pack, and other options. See you next day. Bye bye.